Jim.
This is Pearl.
And today we're heading out to visit our favorite winery, Breitenbach, and then after that, maybe, I don't know, and then maybe later, maybe some dinner, and who else knows what we'll find. But today we're definitely living the Amish country area, so away we go.
Yep.
Enjoy the ride and tag along. We finally got up and out and about this morning. Stepped out and was able to see the farm next door. They got their horses out in the field and looks like they're raking the hay and stuff. So I'm gonna catch some of this and share it with y'all. I know some areas of the world don't really get to see something like this. I know other areas they probably do, but for us it's kind of neat. And this is the Amish country. Many of you may not know who the Amish are, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have Pearl kind of explain it to you guys briefly, just a quick summary of what the Amish is.
The Amish are a group of traditionalist Christian church fellowships with Swiss German and Alsatian Anabaptist origins. They are closely related to Mennonite churches. The Amish are known for simple living, plain dress, Christian pacifism, and slowness to adopt many conveniences of modern technology, with a view neither to interrupt family time nor replace face-to-face conversations whenever possible, and a view to maintain self-sufficiency. The Amish value rural life, manual labor, humility, and submission to God's will, all under the auspices of living what they interpret to be God's word.
So this kind of explains why you see them riding around in horse-drawn carriages and buggies, why they're like right now out in this field using the horse
Instead of a tractor
to rake the hay. Their houses don't have electricity. They don't have telephones. Anything else?
They don't drive cars.
And if you hear the little tinkling of bells, that's the cats coming to help us do the voiceover. Anyways, so I just want to give you an idea of who the Amish are. So sit back and enjoy them as they rake the field. Alright, we're going to visit Pearl's bird box. She's been checking on for several years now. Watching him rake all that hay made us hungry for lunch, so we're going to hop in the truck and we're going to drive over to our favorite winery, Breitenbach. We're going to have some lunch there, probably figure out what wine we want. We always end up buying something there, and kind of enjoy the little bit of an afternoon there, and then head back to the camp.
Ah, so cool.
On the drive there was this wild cloud formation. It was like going straight up, and then right in the middle of it was a rainbow. And it just stayed there for the longest time for the drive. I mean, we just kept driving, and it was just there. It was just so beautiful.
Can you tell we like wine?
That's what I'm thinking. Definitely thinking maybe pizza. Want to walk around and get to the food? Yeah, see, they pulled the tables. They pulled out the little stuff here. Got pepperoni and cheese.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Sounds good to me too. 8-inch, 6 slices, I think that's perfect. Alright, let's follow the line. Okay, I'm following the line. You can go right on. Yeah. What a beautiful summer day. We're going to go ahead and open up this bottle of Roadhouse Red, have a little bit of our wine while we're waiting for our pizza to come. The pizza was really good. We enjoyed it. Just sitting there looking out over the field and the wine barrels and taking it all in. You know what? We forgot to take some pictures of it. And I can hear Gabriel right now from WhereDoWeTravelNow going, "You didn't show us the pizza." We've done this before. Forgot to show the food, and Gabriel's like, "You didn't show the pizza." Anyway, he has a really good channel. Y'all need to head on over there. He spent some time in Ukraine before all this happened, and he showed what beautiful, lovely people these are that live there, and what a beautiful country the Ukraine is. So we'll put some links below, card above, and go over and check out his channel because it's definitely worthwhile watching. Another bottle of Roadhouse?
Should we get the basket or no?
I think no. You just want the one, right?
Yeah, just one. But do you want to look at wine bottle openers or stops? This one's new.
Yeah.
So what's this?
Cream sherry.
That's that sherry. Pomegranate, is that new? Oh, I bet that's
don't know.
good. Pomegranate.
We were heading out for dinner tonight, and on the way I ran the camera, and I think a time lapse isn't quite right for this. I definitely said too fast. But anyways, we caught a couple of the Amish out on their buggies. I slowed it down a little bit so you can see it the best you can. Definitely in the future, I think I'm just going to run straight video, no time lapsing, or we're out cruising around for this kind of stuff. But anyways, here we go. We're on to Mrs. Yoder's Country Kitchen for dinner tonight. Get some home cooking?
Yes.
Yep. Oh, they've got tables out here now. They got rid of all their bric-a-brac. We got a salad. It tastes like bag lettuce.
That's what it tastes like.
Okay. Well, discovered the microphone stopped working, so we lost the audio. Anyways, the food was really good. We've eaten here before. Definitely come back again. Just love this home style cooking, and it is good as it looks, and we'll definitely come back. We had a wonderful day. I'm gonna leave you again with another night lapse. Fortunately, the camera didn't make it through the whole night, so here you go. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.